So today we're going to explore different picking patterns for warm-up and finger dexterity. Okay, if you have already been through the other videos here in Music 101, you'll see other exercises where we use a simple C major open, first position, C major 7, C7, and C6. We use those chords because it's very easy to do, and it only requires your third, second, and first finger for fretting hand. Okay. For the plucking hand, so we call this P-I-M-A. So thumb is P, index is I, M is middle finger, and A is your ring finger. We also sometimes call the thumb as T. Index finger is 1, middle finger is 2, and your ring finger is 3. But for now, let's call the thumb T. Thumb, finger number 1, finger number 2, and finger number 3 for simplicity's sake. Okay. Now here, we're going to use a C major open chord for our first finger warm-up exercise. It's using the outer strings. That is string number 4 and string number 1, using your thumb and your second finger for your plucking hand. That's the outside string. And then the second one is the inside string, your thumb and your first finger. So the pattern is outside, inside. Okay, so let's try that. Outside, inside, outside, inside. We just do that pattern once and one time in the key of C, the chord of C. Okay, so C major. So 1, outside, inside. Then we switch our chord to C major 7 using your second finger fretting hand. Here on the second fret of the first string. Outside, inside. Move down to C7, first finger, first fret, first string. Outside, inside. And C6, all 0 frets. Outside, inside. So for the whole pattern, for the chord progression is outside, inside, switch. Outside, inside, switch. Outside, inside. Switch to C6, outside, inside. Okay, so repeat it. All right, now that's the first exercise. We did that before in the other video. So the second one is inside, outside. So same chords, C, inside string, thumb and index finger, thumb and 1. Inside string, that's a third and the second string, and then outside, fourth and first string with your thumb and middle finger or your second finger. Okay, so first is thumb 1 inside, thumb 2 outside. Okay, so here we go. And switch to C major 7, inside, outside, C7, inside, outside, and then C6, inside, outside. So we're going to play it straight now, okay? Ready? Repeat. There you go. So for the third exercise, we're going to use a combination of inside and outside strings. That's the third string first, inside, and then outside first string with your thumb and your second finger. That's your middle finger, okay? So 3, 1, there's a third string and 1 string. Next is the fourth string with your thumb, and then the second string with your index finger this time, okay? So it's kind of a jumble, okay, with the fingers. So here again, thumb, third string, 2 finger, middle finger, first string. Thumb, fourth string, first finger, index finger, second string. So here we go. There you go. Okay, you play that sequence once only in each chord. And then switch to C major 7, C7, C6. Alright, so let's try it without stopping. Ready, go. Repeat. Okay, for the fourth exercise, we're going to use the fourth string first, thumb, and then the second string, index. Okay, so thumb, index. That's 4-2 strings. Thumb, 1. Next is thumb on third string, and then your third finger or middle finger, first string. Okay, so there, that's the second half. So first we have thumb, index, thumb, second finger, middle finger. So we have, one more time. Okay, we do that pattern for each chord. Ready? Here we go. Repeat. C, C major 7, C7, C6. Without stopping again, I'll do it a little faster. There you go. Okay, so that's a fourth one. For the last exercise for this video, we're going to play fourth string first, and then we're going to play the first string, the second string, and then the third string. Okay, so 4, 1, 2, 3. For the plucking fingers, we have thumb, 2, 1, thumb. Thumb, 2, 1, thumb. So your thumb, this will throw you off a little bit because your thumb is playing this one, and then it will repeat on the first beat down here on the fourth string. Okay, so here again. Repeat. There you go. Let's try it again a little faster on C, C major 7, C7, and C6. Let's go. Ready? 3, 2, ready, go. One more time. So there you go. So I hope this helps you out, and you can use this for your daily warm-ups and daily routine for finger dexterity and basically for warm-ups. Okay, so you can also use this in different chord progressions that you like. Okay, so good luck on your ukulele journey, and I'll see you in the next lesson.